What is up, guys? Welcome back to our end of the market update for this Wednesday, April the 14th of 2021. And it was a rather exciting day out there today. Towards the end, we had the anticipated and the most, I guess, overvalued or valued or whatever you call it, IPO for the Nasdaq, which was Coinbase, ticker symbol COIN. And yeah, it was pretty good. I mean, at first it was ripping, then like all other coins. Oh, I was gonna say coins. Like all other IPOs, there's a hype and then there's a sell-off. It's bound to happen sometimes. Sometimes not. I mean, I'm not saying that coin is going to crash and then it's gonna be done. Whatever. I mean, look at Facebook when it first IPO'd. It rallied and then it was terrible for several months and then look where it's at right now. So just do be careful when you invest on these IPOs. I know there's a lot of hype behind them, but as I always say, be cautious. I like to wait a little bit, wait for the hype to die down and see what the sort of pattern develops, although we can't do a complete wave count because it's a brand new issue, so there's no real history. It's just trying to base your analysis on patterns. But anyway, this is not a video for Coinbase. We're going to talk about the SPY and the Nasdaq QQQ's ETF. So what we have in front of us, guys, is the SPY or the SPY, which is the S&P 500 ETF. And coming out of the March lows, right, we went up in the minor degree wave 1, ABC in the minor degree wave 2, and now, excuse me, now we're here, right? And so on yesterday's video, I was outlining the fact that the 618%, which is the golden pocket, could be a zone of resistance, right? If you guys want to go watch the video I posted yesterday, we outlined this possible alternative, possible outcome, my apologies, that could happen. I mean, we have completed 5 waves, right? 1, 2, 3, consolidated wave 4. We broke out of this channel, we consolidated over it, and now we broke higher. But as I was saying, it was going weaker. As you notice, the candles were really small, low volume, and we hit the 618 spot on, and we're now turning lower. I mean, at this point, I think that this is now our wave 4 is sort of developing. I don't know. Some people are saying that what if this is the pullback on wave 4, and now we're gonna go wave 5 of minor degree wave 3. I'm not sure that's the case, guys, because let's see. Let's zoom in to a 15-minute time frame, and let's deduce this wave count here. So let's take a look. So this was the end of wave 4, right? Remember, 3 down in 4, and now let's see if we could count at least 3 waves here in the wave 4 pullback, right? So it would be something like this: wave 1, A, B, C for 2. Even if this was 3, which is not, because it's too, if you could even eyeball it here, it's too small to be compared to wave 1. The pullback here, if this was to be in the wave 4, then it overlaps with the origin of wave 1, which invalidates the rules and guidelines of Elliott wave principle. So we can't count this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another leg higher for wave 5. That's not the case, because we are overlapping here in this zone. Okay, we overlap wave 1 and we overlap wave 4. Let's see right here. So it's clear that can't be the case. Now, is this wave 1 down in 2? Let's even go down to a 5-minute time frame and let's take a look. There is a 3 wave in there. I mean, 1 down in 2, 3, 4, and 5, perhaps this is the case. I mean, I don't think so. Even if we force it, I don't think that's the case, right? 1, let's take a look. Quick fib zones here. I mean, okay, there's a check, right? We went past the 38, which is appropriate. 1, 2, this is A, B, and C. Now if this is 1, right, up in 1, down in 2, then 3, 4, and then 5, right? Either way, this shows that this is complete, right, regardless of the fact of where the wave count is going to be. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and up in 5. now we've completed this initial wave 5, right? Or sorry, we've completed the minor degree wave 3. Let me zoom on back to the 1 hour time frame. And so what's going to happen here is that, right, we just reviewed this whole structure here, and it's likely that this was already the end of it, right? And so since it didn't go past the 618 into the 100 or terminated around the zone, then we can anticipate that wave 4 could be a little bit more deeper, right? Yesterday's video we outlined the fact that we could potentially finish wave 4 within this zone, right? The upper trend channel, still possible. Maybe we dip below it and then we go higher, but the only way to know this is that, so assuming that this was the end of it, because if tomorrow we ramp up higher, then obviously wave 3 is not over yet, so we have to wait and confirm it. But if we keep on selling down in 3 waves, then we will know relatively soon if we are on our way to complete wave 4. So let us look here at the retracement. Okay, so from the low of wave 2 to the high of wave 3, we notice that the 23.6 to the 38.2 retracement dips below the trend channel, and also dips below the previous wave 4. So just if I do this quickly, right, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I know this is not the correct label, but just for argument's sake, please bear with me. So a good practice is to spot the previous wave 4 as a level of support, and if it's a confluence with a fib retracement of the higher degree, and it comes down to the wave 4. So for instance, in this case, right, the 23 to the 38 falls in line with the lower degree wave 4. So this could be a good zone of support for the S&P. So perhaps this is an area where a lot of people might get trapped, because they might be waiting for a break of this trend channel, right? And once we see the break, right, and then they're probably going to wait for the retest and anticipate a lower leg, then that's where they'll get trapped. But this is the beauty of Elliott Wave, and the advantage of being in our Discord is that we are updating these charts intraday, at least 3 times a day, and understanding the trend is still bullish. The trend is still going to go higher, because we got to complete the intermediate wave 3. Remember, we started the wave 1 here, down in 2. We're now on our way to complete wave 3. So once we reach this zone, okay, I'm going to highlight this again. Once we reach this area, we will anticipate an opportunity to take us higher into the final wave 5 of 3. Okay, guys, so be on the lookout for that. I love the fact that we did hit the top here, which appears to be. So I'm not in a rush to short this. Remember, I've told you guys in the Discord, even though we're gonna pull back, right, don't try to anticipate or don't try to rush this into a short position or put or get a position on the UVXY or SQQQs, because the trend is still bullish, and this could be very, very slow, and you may just get chopped. So my advice is just wait it out, wait until we get this to this area, and we will get into a trade. All right, so hopping over to the triple Qs or the Nasdaq ETF, as we were discussing in yesterday's video, right, coming off from the February highs, we sold off in 3 waves, A, B, and C, down into wave 2. We're now in the minor degree wave 1, A, B, C in the minor degree of wave 2. Now 1, 2, we've completed wave 3. We're now on the pullback, right, into the zone of the 38%. So if I just do this, because this was the completion, then our anticipated area, our first target, should come at, again, at the 38, the 23 to the 38% retracement of the wave minor degree wave 4. All right, sorry, this degree here. So that's where we are taking our levels from. And so, this still worries me a little bit, and taking a look at our alternate account, which I'm gonna delete this real quick. Our alternate account, actually no, I'm just gonna sketch over this. Our alternate account suggested that this was wave A. Okay, we're now in the process of making wave B, and then we're gonna start selling off in the wave C. Okay, so just looking at this, we didn't break high. I mean, we did break above the all-time highs, but it wasn't sort of like how we did it on the S&P, right? This was, we just snipped it and then we're now selling back down. Obviously, if this is the wave count, let's take a look. Let's take a quick retracement tool. Apologize for the background noise. Let's do the 78, right? Which, where is it? Okay, the 78 is right there, but then if we do the external 1272, it's a little further up. Okay, now here's the thing. If in the event that we don't keep on going lower, all right, and we just ramp up higher, then I do anticipate that our wave count, the one I just showed you, where this is A and this will be B, and then we're gonna retest the low here, that could be a possibility. But if we go down here, right, and we retest this channel and we find support at these levels and we go higher and we break this top, then that's a good sign. And at that point, we can safely say that we are changing trends and we are on the way for the completion of the minor degree wave 3, then pull back in the minor degree wave 4 to then take us into the intermediate wave 3, which I'm not labeling them yet. That's why I don't show them. All right, guys, so that is it for tonight. I'm gonna keep it really short and simple. So if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment below. I am leaving the link to our Discord group, which is completely free to join. Feel free to hop in, take a look. Hope to see you guys there. Also, subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up notification, or like they say, smash it, destroy it. So it'll help the channel grow, help my content get out there for other people to see. All right, guys, so love to see you at the Discord, and let's get this going. All right, guys, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye.